to the channel. In today's video I'm quickly going to show you this website that um, um, gives you free Litecoin. Alright, so what they basically want you to do is to come over to this their website, free Litecoin, free hyphen Litecoin.com, and then you sign up with your email and play their game. So that's it. That's how it is to earn a Litecoin. And they're saying here on their website that you can possibly win a Litecoin of Litecoin that worth up to $200 as you can see here. So it's basically something, that looks huge. All right, so they don't require you to do much, just to come here and sign up. All right, so if it's your first time, you have to sign up. For me, I've already created an account, so all I have to do to claim a free Litecoin is to enter this captcha and then roll the dice. Alright, so I have a link that I've attached in the description, so you guys can access this website. Alright, and come to this place to start earning. So what you're simply going to see if you are signing up for the first time is that they are going to ask you to use your email. Let me use incognito mode so that we can so that I can show you how to do this. Okay, so free Litecoin. Alright, so this is their website. Let's hop in and I can show you how to sign up following the link that I've left in the description for you. So this is it, guys. What you have to do is to click on this button right here. Click on this one, and then you see the option to sign in, I guess. Okay, alright, so since you're just coming for the first time, you sign up. So this is what you see. Alright, you just put your email, your password, your referral. Hopefully you might not see referral because you're using the link in the description. Alright, so you put your Litecoin withdrawal address. Mind you, this has to be your Litecoin withdrawal address. Alright, not any other crypto coin. Alright, so if you sign into Trust Wallet, you can just go to your Trust Wallet account and grab the Litecoin withdrawal address. So I'm going to try and access my Trust Wallet via Litecoin withdrawal. So just go here. You can do the same as well. So just click on this receiving address, this one here, and then grab the code. And I'll copy the code. So after copying it, I'll just head straight to this place. So once I fill this email, password, referral, I'll just put in the Litecoin wallet address. So that's how you're going to do. After doing that, you check in the boxes to verify that you're human, and once you're done with that, you'll be directed into this page. Alright, so and this is where you have the chance to start spinning the wheel, rolling the numbers, and start winning free Litecoin. So the jackpot here is a 10,000 lucky number. If you roll the number and you make up to 10,000 lucky number, you'll be awarded with 3.64572 Litecoin. Alright, so that is that. So there's another interesting thing about this Litecoin Litecoin, this free Bitcoin website, is that you can also, it's also a multiplayer Litecoin. So you have the chance to multiply your Litecoin by betting, by staking on you see it says here, so you can also increase your or decrease your win chance. You can change it to be as low as 1, which way. So what this is saying is that you can also stake in for multiplier for a chance to win a double Litecoin. So I think it has to do with you having an initial balance or depositing into your Litecoin account here before you can play this. But anyhow, it's still something worth trying. So another way that you could also benefit from this website, as we're saying, is the referral link. Right, so this place is basically where you can once you're signed up with them, you come and grab your referral link, you copy it, and then you promote it, so that anybody that signs up, you're getting a share of their rolled numbers. Remember, you can roll as much as you want on this home page here. So anybody that signs up and rolls and enters this captcha, let me enter the captcha so you can see how it works. So anybody that signs using your referral and rolls this number, okay, you're seeing, see, you won 0.0000 to 1272 Litecoin. Alright, so that is it. So I have to wait for the next 1 hour to roll again and to win continuously like that. So it's basically giving the opportunity for you to win 0.000 amount of Litecoin every single hour. Alright, so but if you're lucky, you can roll up to 10,000. That's like you have 3.6 Litecoin instantly. Alright, so their withdrawal, according to them, is quite easy and interesting, but they have a threshold just like every other software. So they're saying that earn interest on your Litecoin. So what they're basically saying is that the longer you keep your Litecoin with them, the more you have interest. So you have their interest has increased to like 10%. So the more they hold your Litecoin, the more interest you amass. Alright, so if you need to withdraw, I think the limit here, as we can see, is 0.00500 Litecoin. So this is the limit. You have to have this limit for you to be able to withdraw. Alright, so that is that. So at the moment, what I have is I have 0.001, so it's not up to withdrawal. Alright, so this is what I have. Then hopefully I'll keep on trying it, and when it gets to that amount, I'll try and withdraw and see how their paying out is. Alright, so there's another thing I wanted to tell you guys, that you shouldn't rush and start start buying their you should not rush and start depositing your Litecoin, buying Litecoin on their platform, because it's still very, very shaky. I cannot say that I trust them 100%, but it's a platform that looks promising and offers the chance, very easy chance for you to earn free Litecoin. Alright, just spin the wheel and then that is that. Alright, so but for the purpose of fact checking and proof and verifying how legit they are, I've actually gone to try to check them on Trustpilot. See, the first thing that I checked here, someone is reviewing them and is saying that they're a big scam, don't waste your time on the site. But this is somebody's experience. Obviously that is that, because I cannot say that this is my experience. That's why I said I will try. If I get to the threshold, I'll try and see if I can withdraw and make a video about that. So just try your luck on it, and then and earn free Litecoin. Don't put your money yet into it. Just try the free Litecoin version. Thank you for the video. If it's your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also like the video so that YouTube can promote the video so that many people will get to see it. Thank you. Stay tuned.